Everyone deserves a shot.
We don't want to miss those late developers.
All about just providing that fun, inviting environment.
At Basketball Wales, we're trying to implement a strategy whereby we want to play with pace, play with space, and play with high defensive intensity. So what that means then is a huge requirement from a physical perspective. So that links to why we're doing the testing today. So all we're trying to do is trying to build a philosophy, build a strategy that works across all of our pathway teams, across girls, across boys, right the way through to seniors, that allows us to flourish and play the Welsh way. So today we're at the National Indoor Athletic Centre here at Cardiff Met. Today we've been doing testing, so we've done our jumps, so we do a counter movement jump and 5-10. We also do our speed over 20 metres, and then we look at our anthropometrics. So we're doing that across our under 14s, 15s and 17s, girls and boys, so we can understand their growth and maturation. Measuring
growth and maturation is really important for developing athletes. So as we know, you get an athlete around 13 that's already gone through a growth spurt and some athletes that haven't. So we measure that within our athletes to support their development and understanding where they are in their growth. So there's a few ways to do it, but we measure standing height and sitting height. So effectively when a kid is going through growth, your legs grow first, so you can predict it from measuring those as sitting height and standing height.
So it's been an awesome project so far of what we've undertaken with the guys at Sport Wales. With the knowledge, vast knowledge that we've got of the practitioners that are in there, and with the limited resources that we have, to be able to lean on that support and be able to give these guys access to that support is so vital to our programme.
Yeah, so it's really common that athletes going through growth will have symptoms of injuries early. And they're not necessarily injuries, commonly people call it growing pains. It's just teaching athletes these fundamental conditioning techniques. Good stretching, good basic strengthening really helps alleviate those symptoms as they grow. So it's very easy to test an athlete and see their power or speed or strength. And usually when you've gone through growth, you're faster and you're more powerful. So we don't just want to focus on those athletes, we want to focus on the athletes that are about to go through their growth as well. We don't want to miss those late developers, so we want to understand if we're going to test an athlete where they are in their growth.
We know through research that we do see that teenage drop-off in sport, and a lot of that does come down to what those players are experiencing in their own development, and that they feel that maybe they're not making as much progress, that things are becoming more challenging to them, and for them to have that messaging that that's normal, that's going to happen, and you can work through it and you can come back stronger. And if you keep pushing, you can continue to develop yourself. So again, having this programme and the level of education is really supporting all of our athletes to stay involved in sport.
So we're talking about like your peak speed of growth. So that's usually when your coordination's affected, but it doesn't mean that once you've gone through that, you completely stop growing, but you'll still put on muscle mass, you'll still will grow slowly. But usually it's that really fast phase of growth that really affects your coordination, really affects your mobility. So we want to support athletes during that phase. But really important to remember that even after that peak phase of growth, you will still grow, you'll still get taller, you'll still get stronger.
We did the same back in September, so this is our second testing point. So actually we can track the differences, we can track our changes, we can see who's developing and the rate that they're developing at. We use our athlete management system using Teamworks along with the guys at Sport Wales. So we can house all our information. So from the test that we've taken today, players should be able to see that information but later on today, and they can actually track themselves and see where they're at, see how they've improved, see how their body's changing, because it's important for them to understand how their body is changing, especially if they're going through peak height velocity. So things might not feel as coordinated. They can understand themselves and have that empathy with that. And therefore then we can take that information and then we can help build a better athlete and help support them in their journey then as basketball players.
So we really like to work with all NGBs across Wales, certainly with growing athletes and adolescent development and really supporting youth athletes reach their potential. So it'd be really good to get in touch with lots of NGBs and understand what they're doing for us to learn in that space, but then for us also to support them to help all their athletes reach their potentials.
Our strapline is, everyone deserves a shot. It's important for us to give every child a chance and an opportunity to develop. So we need to make sure that we're providing all those resources to our athletes. So whether that be physical, whether that be through nutrition programs, whether it be through psychological support, and then also them being on court with our coach delivery.
I'm here supporting as a parent. As I said, my daughter has the privilege of being selected for the Under 14s girls programme. We have communications through the Teamworks app, we have email updates and a WhatsApp group. I'm aware that Sports Wales are supporting all the players and us as parents in understanding and for us to understand how we can support them better.
We're doing nutritional seminars with parents, sending out documents all the time to them. We're trying to give them access and give them insights into where they can get development and for them to gain that knowledge for them to understand.
The approach that Basketball Wales are taking and the education they're providing both to the athletes but also through to parents is really helping just to support that holistic all-round environment for the player.
The easy option for us to compare is to compare outside, so whether to compare ourselves against other GB athletes or whether it be England or into the Europe. At the moment, we haven't got that sort of calibre or capability to be able to do that. So really, we need to look at what we can control, and that starts in-house.
We want as many young people to stay engaged as possible. We don't want people to have bad experiences and maybe not want to continue with any form of sport. So it's all about just providing that fun, inviting environment where young people are able to thrive.
At the moment, we've very much got a blank canvas in Welsh basketball, so it's really important that we get the foundations right within our academy, and then hopefully that will allow these kids then to have a successful future within Welsh basketball, but also British basketball. I feel that we're doing something different. We're trying to take a novel approach. If more sports start to do the same sort of thing, then we can learn, we can develop a lot quicker, not just in our own sports, but across the whole Welsh sporting spectrum.